We have two ratio problems here. Firstly, a sum of money is divided in the ratio of 5:3, where the smaller share is £36. In other words, the person here is getting the 3 shares receives £36. My second problem is more complex. The volume of liquid is emptied into 2 cans, ratio of 5:8. The volume in the larger can is 150 ml more than the smaller can. What was the original volume? Let's turn to the money problem. So 5:3. So in other words, I have 5 shares to 3 shares, where in essence these 3 shares come to £36. Solution. I take my £36 and I divide it by 3, which is 12, to work out how much goes in each of these, if you like, little envelopes that I have here. So I put 12 in the first one, 12 in the second, 12 in the third, which clearly 3 lots of 12 is 36. To work out the total sum of money, I give a similar quantity here, and we have 5 lots of 12. 5 lots of 12 is 60. So in other words, the solution is we have £60 to £36. In other words, the total that I have given out is £96. And we've used these sort of little envelopes here as a method to try and illustrate how we got to our solution. The volume of liquid is poured into 2 cans. So here we go again. Solution. I have 2 cans in the ratio of 5:8. 5 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 shares to 8 shares. Now this can here has 150 millilitres more than the one on my left. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They're similar. So this 150 millilitres must be in these 3 shares here. So solution. I look at the difference in the quantity of the shares. 8 take away 5 is 3. 150 divided by 3 is 50. So in each of these 3 shares here sits 50 millilitres. Similarly, there must be 50 in each of these. And over here to be consistent. And so my total volume, the original volume, is going to be the total number of shares. I have 5 plus 8, which is 13, times how much is in each of these little shares here. That's 50. 13 times 50, well, 10 times 50 is 500. 3 times 50 is 150. So 13 times 50 is 650 millilitres is the solution. So this one here, we need to look at what the difference between each of the 2 cans that the volume of liquid is being dispensed into to find out how much each of those shares are worth.
Okay, Mary, so let's have a look at this one. So solve x plus 2x equals 12. So what do you think you do first?
Okay, well, I want x on its own, so I would put x equals 12 minus 2x.
Okay, so a lot of the time we want to get x by itself, but what we want to do first is get all of these x's together. So can you see anything we can do with this? Get all these together in one place.
Oh, okay, it's 3x, isn't it?
Yeah,
so
absolutely.
3x equals 12. Oh, and so x equals 4.
Brilliant, spot on, well done.